And see, I'm just going to keep beating those along there. That's going to help shore up the outside edge about yay far away from the trim, so that when I get ready to smash the other stuff in there, I can do that before I pull that up. Then I can use that as a base and kind of beat some more stuff down in there, deeper in there, before I set this trim back on there and nail it down. That's what I did. That's what I did on the other side, because it was so straight down, and I just did the best I could and put lots of rocks right where I decided to put the nails. And then I did the nails, and then if I had to get it a hair higher or something, I would just beat some more rocks in there and jostle it around and get it exactly where I wanted it. And like I say, you're only going to get it so good. You know, do the best you can and call it good.